Full Channel now offers a new way to watch TV. Seeing as the world of cable is going digital, Full Channel wants to offer you the best in cable equipment so you get the most out of your service. With the Motorola DCH6416, you'll be able to experience all that digital cable has to offer. The DCH6416 is a digital cable box, high-definition receiver, and a DVR, allowing you to view and record all your favorite channels. Let's take a look at how this device works. The Motorola DCH6416 is easy to use and navigate through menus. On the front panel, you will find a cursor to navigate through menus, a select button to activate menu items, a menu button bringing up the device menu, guide displaying the program guide, info to see the info of the show you are currently watching, format which allows you to set the box to display the correct aspect ratio, and a channel button. On the rear panel, you will find an RF input and output, S-video, HDMI, composite, and component outputs. This allows you to hook up the device any way you would like. This cable box is also a digital video recorder with an internal hard drive which stores all your recorded shows. And has a dual tuner, which means that you will be able to record and watch a show at the same time, record 2 shows at the same time, and record 2 shows and watch an already recorded show. You will also be able to rewind and pause live TV. While you're watching a channel, the DVR is recording, so if you want to leave the room or you want to watch something again, the power is yours. Note that you cannot fast forward live TV. If you would like to fast forward through commercials, put the channel on for a few minutes before you intend to watch. Then go to the beginning of the show or program and you will be able to fast forward through the commercials until you catch up to live TV. To get started with this device, a technician will install it at your home. They will connect an RF cable bringing cable into the box. At this point, it is up to you on how you want to output the digital signal to your television set. Based on the quality of video you would like to see and the inputs on your television set, you can make the choice on what type of cable you would like to use. Once the box is hooked up, make sure your TV remains on channel 3. Channel 3 is the open signal that allows you to see the video being sent from your cable box to the TV. After the box is hooked up, it is time to set the box to display the video to your liking. Turn the box on and then shut it off and immediately hit the menu button. You will now see the on-screen menu which will allow you to customize the way you view channels. This is especially important when viewing high-definition video. You can set up your TV type. If your TV looks like this, you have a 4:3 TV. And if your TV looks like this, it is a 16:9 widescreen. 16:9 specifies that there is a widescreen TV. 4:3 letterbox means that there is a standard definition TV hooked up, but widescreen videos will be scaled to fit the screen, letterboxing the image. And 4:3 pan scan specifies that there is a standard definition TV hooked up and the widescreen videos will be cropped to fit the screen. Under that, you can set the output cable that you're using to go from your box to the TV. Then under that, you can set how you want to view standard definition video. So if you have a widescreen TV and you are watching a 4:3 show, the cable box will either stretch the video to fit the screen or will show it in its original aspect ratio. Now that your cable box is set to your specifications, it's time to see how to use the device. The basic function works the same as far as changing channels, volume, guides, and other information menus. Now it's time to see how the DVR function works. The first way to record a show is to record it manually. Simply press the record button on your remote while watching a show. This will instantly start a manual recording. When you want to stop, simply press stop. This show is now stored in your recording section. In order to get to your recordings and the recording menu, press the menu button. A small menu will pop up at the bottom of the screen. Use the arrow keys to highlight the DVR button and press select. On this menu, you will see 4 selections: My Recordings, Set a Recording, Future Recordings, and Series Recordings. Use the arrow keys to highlight each selection and press select to activate the selection. In My Recordings, you will see already recorded shows. Highlight the show with the arrow keys, press select to play the show. When highlighted, there are 6 options at the bottom. Go back to the previous screen, play from beginning, modify the settings where you can change the way your DVR saves your recordings, delete the recording, and set or unset a lock on the recording. While watching your recording, you can pause, rewind, and stop. Note, when you stop the recording, you have the option to delete the recording or to keep it. When stopped, it will be brought back to the menu screen. The next selection is Set a Recording. When selected, you can now choose the time to start and stop the recording, as well as the day. Once the day is selected, go down to Confirm and press Select. This will take you to the channel listing. Again, use the arrow keys to choose a channel you would like to record and press Select. The next menu will then pop up. This is where you can confirm the recording. Go to Recording Settings or cancel the recording. In the recording settings, you can set how many times you want to record the show. When this option is highlighted, use the left and right arrow keys to navigate the options, and simply press the down arrow to move to the next selection. Your record options are one time, every day, once a week, or Monday through Friday. The next option is how long to save the program. You can either save it until space is needed, which means that when the hard drive is full, the DVR will delete this recording so that your next recording will fit, or until I delete. The next option is to set a recording to start anywhere from 1 to 15 minutes early, as well as end it 1 to 15 minutes later than scheduled, so you will never miss a minute. When you're done, go down to Set the Recording and press Select. The next option you have back in the main menu is Future Recordings. Select this option and you'll be able to see your upcoming recordings in case you would like to make a change to the recording, and which you can do at the bottom by selecting the middle option, Recording Settings. The last option is Series Recordings. In order to set the DVR to record a series, you have to press the guide button to bring up the listing of what's on. Navigate with the arrow keys to find the series you would like to record. When you have highlighted the show, press Info at the bottom. You will find 6 different options. Select the second option with the record symbol. The next menu pops up with 4 options. Select the second option, Create Series Recording. You will now be prompted to set how you want to record the series, starting with recording only new episodes, new and repeats, or all with duplicates. Then set how you want to save the shows, either all or 1 to 7. Then set how long you want to save the shows on your DVR, either save until space is needed or until I delete. You can now go down and set the recording, or go down 2 options and get to More Settings. In this menu you can see additional options, such as what channels to record the series on, either the current channel or all channels, and when to start and stop the recording. To view or modify these settings for the series recordings, press Menu, select DVR, and navigate to the Series Recordings option. When selected, you will be brought to Your Recordings. Select a series and you will get all your information on your recording, as well as the option to modify your settings at the bottom. This DVR has 2 quick options that can be activated if your remote has these 2 buttons: My DVR and Swap. My DVR. This is an easy way to get to the menu of previous recorded shows. The next quick button on your remote that works with this DVR is the Swap button. If you want to go back and forth from one show to the other, go to the first show, then type in the next channel. Now, when you press Swap, it'll go back to the other channel. Thank you for watching this training video. If you have any more questions, please visit www.fullchannel.com and go to Support, or call 247-1250.